No. You have enough water.
More water?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You have enough water in the bathtub.
More water.
What do you do with more water? Huh? What do you do with more water? Huh?
That tickles.
What?
That tickles.
What
That
tickles? You're tickling your feet?
Yeah.
Hey, what's on your arm?
I'll shut off, Mom.
What's on your arm?
I'll shut off.
What is it?
I'll take a picture.
What's on your arm?
Tattoo.
Of who?
Toe.
Are you the Hulk?
Mm.
Are you going to be Hulk for Halloween?
Mm-hmm.
Huh? What are you going to do on Halloween?
Get candy.
You're going to get candy?
Yeah.
How do you get candy?
Oh.
You knock on their door.
And say,
Trick or treat. And they give you candy?
Hmm?
Sit up. I don't want to get your private parts. Sit up.
Cheese.
Taking a video.
Tomato.
Mhm.
Cheese.
Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi.
Say hi everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Stop taking a bath.
I think you're bad.
My armpits stink. All right, buddy. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, you've shown your armpit? Say see ya.
See ya.